So, what is a corporation? Again, a corporation is a state recognized business entity and generally the oldest state recognized form of business entity. And the corporation, by its nature, is an entity completely separate from its owners. But the characteristics of the corporation is that it has a specific operation, management, and ownership structure across all corporations that allow for the designation of roles within any of those classes as executives or managers, as directors, and as owners, shareholders of the corporation. Generally, a corporation's categorized in several fashions. One is based on taxes, and that's a C versus an S corporation. A C corporation is subject to double taxation, and aside from that, it is the commonly understood, most extensive internal organizational structure for the corporation. The S corporation status is a tax election that allows the corporation to elect to be taxed as a pass-through entity rather than subject to double taxation, that is, taxation at the corporate level and at the individual shareholder level. With that in mind, the S corporation allows it to profits and losses to pass through the corporation to the owner shareholders directly without a corporate tax level. Now, in order to be an S corporation, however, you have to meet certain requirements, which limits the type of owners of the corporation. It limits the capitalization of the corporation and puts other limitations on the ownership structure of the corporation, such as the types of stock that can be issued, etc. Again, it's a tax election, but it places numerous requirements on the operational structure in order to qualify as an S corporation.